Question number 7. If P1 and P2 are the length of the perpendicular from the origin, length of the perpendicular from the origin to the straight line, x secant theta plus y cosecant theta, equal to 2a, and another equation x cos theta minus y sin theta equal to a cos 2 theta. Then prove that p1 square plus p2 square equal to a square. So what is the p? P means distance, okay? Length of the distance, length of the perpendicular. So p1 square plus p2 square equal to, answer is a square. Is that prove that, okay? Solution. First, given first equation, first line, x secant theta plus y cosecant theta equal to 2a, correct? And from the point, what is the point? Origin, okay? Taking the origin. This one is point origin 0, 0. Okay? So plus 2a, this side coming minus 2a. So x secant theta plus y cosecant theta minus 2a equal to 0. So this procedure is line equations are given and one points are given. So what is that? P1 is the length of the perpendicular. So formula P equal to distance formula modulus P1. Okay. So equation number, so given first equation. So taking P1. So P1 equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by square root of a square plus b square. So this point P1 equal to modulus, taking modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c equation, x secant theta plus y cosecant theta minus 2a divided by square root of a square. A square means secant theta square. So secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Correct? Cosecant square theta. Then apply that x value 0, y value 0. Point applying. Okay. So p of 0, 0 point. So p1 equal to, this one is x value 0 and y value 0 applying 0 into secant theta 0. Then 0 into cosecant theta 0. Then here minus 2a divided by square root of secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Okay. So P1 equal to minus 2a here, minus 2a divided by square root of secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Then take the modulus. So P1 equal to 2a divided by square root of secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. So this one is P1. Okay. So we want P1 square. Okay. So taking P1 square equal to, so squaring 2a divided by square root of secant square theta plus cosecant square theta whole square. So square, all sides are going. 2 square answer is 4. A square answer is a square. So 4a square divided by this one square root of square. So square root of cancel. Okay. Then remaining secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. This one is P1 square. Then next one we want P2 square, right? So second line. This one is second line. Given second line. What is that? X cos theta minus y sin theta plus a cos theta, this is coming minus a cos 2 theta. Correct? Okay. So this one, next one point is 0, 0. So same distance P2 equal to modulus ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by square root of a square plus b square. Then here modulus x cos theta minus y sin theta minus a cos 2 theta divided by square root of a square. A square means answer is cos theta. So cos square theta plus b square answer is minus sin theta. So answer is sin square theta. Okay children, then applying the point 0, 0. Okay, point 0, 0. This one is x, this one is y. So x value 0 applying 0 into cos theta, answer is 0. Then 0 applying that y into 0 minus 0. Then remaining minus a cos 2 theta divided by square root of cos square theta plus sin square theta. Okay. Then remaining P2 equal to modulus minus a cos 2 theta divided by square root of cos square theta plus sin square theta. Correct? So we want P2 square. So P2 square equal to, then taking the modulus minus of plus. Okay. So answer is a cos 2 theta. A cos 2 theta divided by square root of sin square theta plus cos theta, answer is 1. Okay, 1 square root answer is also 1. So divided by 1, then here whole square. So P2 square equal to a square cos square 2 theta. So 1 square is also 1. So nothing but, so P2 square equal to answer is a square cos square 2 theta. So then here P1 square and P2 square are adding. Okay, we get the answer a square. So listen, P1 square plus P2 square equal to, so what is the P1 square? This one, P1 square equal to 4a square divided by here secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. So secant square theta, what is the formula? 1 by cos square theta. 1 by cos square theta plus what is the cosecant square theta formula? 1 by sin square theta. 1 by sin square theta. Then plus P2 square. P2 square answer is a square cos square 2 theta. Okay. So here 4a square divided by is the LCM. Sin square theta cos square theta. Sin square theta cos square theta. Then cross multiply sin square theta into 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta into 1 plus cos square theta, then plus a square cos square 2 theta. Okay children, sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1. Okay, so here 4a square divided by 1, then divided by sin square theta cos square theta plus a square cos square 2 theta. Okay, then denominator by denominator, answer is reciprocal. Denominator by denominator, then here denominator by denominator reciprocal, answer is 4a square. Here sin square theta cos square theta going to above numerator, sin square theta cos square theta plus next one a square cos square 2 theta. A square cos square 2 theta. Okay, next. So here P1 square plus P2 square. P1 square plus P2 square equal to this one a square. Here a square is common. A square is common. Answer is 4 sin square theta cos square theta plus remaining here cos square 2 theta. Okay, so what is the proved P1 square plus P2 square equal to only a square. Okay, so P1 square plus P2 square equal to a square. Okay, listen here carefully. 4 how to find 2 square. Correct? 2 square sin square theta cos square theta plus here cos square 2 theta. Correct? So this one is a square 2 square sin square cos square. How to find 2 sin theta cos theta whole square? Correct? 2 sin theta cos theta whole square plus cos square 2 theta. So what is the trigonometry formula? 2 sin a cos a. Okay, trigonometry formula 2 sin a cos a equal to formula sin 2a. Okay, sin 2a. So a square here 2 sin theta cos theta formula sin 2 theta. Then whole square, answer is square. Sin square 2 theta plus remaining here cos square 2 theta. Children, sin square theta plus cos square theta. This one is theta. Okay, so this one is theta. So same angle. Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta, answer is 1. Okay, so then same sin square 2 theta plus cos square 2 theta, answer is 1. So a square into 1, answer is a square. Okay, so this one is p1 square plus p2 square equal to a square. Hence proved. Okay, thank you.